lesson on how to play the song Jolly Old St. Nicholas. We're using our sheet music called Easy Holiday Duets, which you can download at the link below. Since this is a duet, there's a part 1 and a part 2. Part 1 is the melody, and that's what we're going to be learning in this tutorial. So to get started, let's listen to the entire melody, part 1, played all the way through. Now let's break that down into 4 phrases. We'll practice each phrase one at a time at a slower tempo. So here's phrase 1. Phrase 2. Now here's phrase 3. And now our 4th and final phrase. So now we've practiced each phrase one at a time at a slower tempo. Let's try putting all 4 phrases together, and we'll try the whole song from beginning to end. So that was the melody for Jolly Old St. Nicholas. If you're looking at your Easy Duets sheet music, it's part 1 on the sheet music. There's also a part 2, which is a harmony part. Sounds really cool if you play part 1 and part 2 at the same time as a duet. So in our next tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the harmony part for this song. Hope you all enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching. Now go practice.